This is a case study of a Mitsubishi cold climate hyperheat pump installation in North Adams, Massachusetts, near the Massachusetts College of Liberal Arts by Girard Heating and Air Conditioning, Inc. Owen R, a homeowner in North Adams, Massachusetts, was remodeling his home and wanted to transition from oil heat to a more energy-efficient heating and cooling system. His goals were to eliminate fossil fuel use, maintain consistent temperatures throughout the home, and gain dependable heating and air conditioning from one system. Because North Adams is located along the famous Mohawk Trail and experiences extreme winter temperatures due to its elevation, reliable cold weather performance was essential. The challenge: 1. Replacing oil heat with an energy-efficient system capable of providing dependable comfort during extreme North Adams winters. 2. Hiding the system piping within the home while allowing the indoor units to blend naturally with the interior design. 3. Creating customized comfort throughout the home without heating or cooling every room at the same temperature. 4. Completing the installation as part of an active home remodeling project while maintaining a clean, discreet appearance. The solution? 1. Install 2 Mitsubishi Hyperheat multi-zone systems designed to provide efficient heating and cooling during periods of severe cold. 2. Installed 3 floor-mounted indoor units and 2 deluxe wall-mounted indoor units to create 5 independently controlled comfort zones. 3. Used floor-mounted units to minimize visible indoor piping and help the equipment blend naturally with the home's interior. 4. Installed slim duct piping covers in inconspicuous outdoor locations to achieve a clean, finished appearance that met the customer's expectations. The benefits: the new 5-zone system provides customized heating and air conditioning throughout the home. Each zone can be controlled independently, allowing energy to be directed toward the rooms that need it, rather than conditioning the entire home at once. Mitsubishi Hyperheat technology delivers dependable cold weather performance, while helping the homeowner eliminate oil heat and lower the home's carbon footprint. The system also includes a 12-year manufacturer parts warranty and a standard 2-year contractor warranty, with the option to extend labor coverage for up to 12 years. Summary of a successful North Adams HVAC upgrade: the customer is able to lower his carbon footprint by eliminating fossil fuels with an efficient hyperheat system and have 5 separate zones that can be set for customized comfort. Team at Girard Heating and Air Conditioning, Inc. Get a free consultation today. Call 413-568-2946.